Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Shiko. If it's your first time here, you're very much welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this look, both my outfit, both my makeup and my hair. It's a church inspired look. The kind of makeup and outfits that I wear when going to church. I hope that you guys are going to enjoy this video, so keep on watching. Sunday is one of my favorite days of the week. I love dressing up and going to church. It's also the only day in the week where I get to wear full makeup and leave the house, because normally mostly I work from the house unless I have like clients that I have to go to, and sometimes I even go without wearing a full face. Maybe I'll just do my eyebrows and lipstick or wear a gloss or something like that. So really Sunday is the day that I tend to look my best, and that's why I really wanted to film this video for you guys. I'm gonna head on straight to doing the makeup, and I'm going to start by doing my eyebrows, and I will forward this, so if you want a more detailed tutorial, I will link it somewhere here so that you can check it out. And since mostly on Sundays I normally do my makeup in a hurry because I don't want to get late for church, I tend to go for thinner brows and not so dramatic eyebrows as well, because also you don't cause a lot of attention in church. I have an eyeshadow primer here. I never use it. I tried using it once and I didn't like how it turned out, but I'm gonna give it a second shot today. It's by a brand called Number 7. I use their eyeliners as well, and I love them. So I don't know whether I'm the one who doesn't know how to use this primer, eyeshadow primer, or what happens. I expected an eyeshadow primer to give me the kind of coverage that a concealer gives, but this one doesn't do that. It's just like an oil that I am applying onto my eyes. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to also apply concealer after the primer. So I'm also going to use this Illegal concealer in the shade Fawn. Normally just use tapping motions to kind of push the concealer into the skin and ensure that I have an evened out surface, as you can see. And if I don't want to do eyeshadow, I normally just set this with powder, do my mascara, eyeliner, and it looks really nice as well. So for eyeshadow, I'm not going for a very dramatic look, so I'm gonna use this eyeshadow palette. It's a very tiny one from the same brand of that eyeshadow primer that I used. These are the eyeshadows that are in here, and that is the kind of look that I am going for. I'm gonna use this brown and this shimmer shade over here, the two of them. This one is just going to like help me, give me a bit of a smoky eye. And I normally just tap the eyeshadow as well. As I said in my previous video, with like every makeup product that you're applying, you need to master how to tap the product rather than spreading to give you maximum coverage. So I'm applying it on my outer V and the crease. So to blend that brown, I'm going to use my face powder. This is Illegal in the shade Classic Tan, and I want to show you guys this hack of how you can use powder to blend eyeshadow. So it's also going to help me set my brow bone area. and at the same time blend my eyeshadow, the edges of my eyeshadow, that is. And I'm actually using the same brush that I used before. I have just wiped off the brown, the dark brown. And the reason I'm using my powder is because I want this to be a very soft look. I don't want it to be dramatic. And the powder is just blending out the eyeshadow and giving me a very smooth finish, as you can see. And I'm concentrating on blending the edges, not the entire eyeshadow. I use this brush that I used for my concealer. It tends to pack shimmer shades really nicely. And blend out the harsh lines. As I wait for my eyelashes to dry, I'm gonna do my eyeliner, and I'm gonna do a very thin line. So I have my lashes on right now. So what I'm going to do is use a bit of the concealer under my eyes. Then going to use that brown eyeshadow. The most amazing thing is that I'm doing this makeup to just go eat lunch in the house, because there is no church and today is Sunday. We're getting used to it. And I actually get to attend various churches. My church, City Lighters Church, that's the name of the church that I go to. Our live service is at 11, and then so I watch that, and then after that I go and check another church and I watch it, and then after that my favorite that I love watching is Elevation Church. I just love Pastor Stephen Fatik so much, and I really look forward to their live service. So I'm using the lwala foundation in the shade Mnyazi. This is the foundation that I've been using for quite some time now. To highlight my face, I'm using a Legal Pro Concealer in the shade Medium Beige. I always tend to get this pimple that is here, like all the time. Sometimes it's here, another time it's on this side of the lip, and I can't get to understand why I get it. Anyone else with a similar experience, or who knows what could be the cause, kindly comment down below. I would really love to know how to avoid having this thing. It's so painful. I'm blending the concealer with the same brush that I blended my foundation with. You can also use a beauty blender if you find it hard to use a brush to blend your concealer. I personally find it easier to use a beauty blender, but for now I'm just using what's nearby. To set that concealer, I'm going to use my Juviasplace setting powder in the shade Kalahari. I'm going to use my powder, Elegant, in the shade Toffee. I just find it easier for me to do a powder contour. So I contour this area below my cheeks, my jawline. So I'm then going to apply blush, which is a mixture of pink and orange eyeshadow, to add a bit of color to my face. Then I'm going to take my Elegant powder in the shade Classic Tan and use that all over my face. So this powder is going to blend everything together, all the harsh lines. It is blending everything. I'm first going to line my lips with this Maybelline Superstay maroon lipstick. This is the shade Voyager. I'm going to apply my gloss. This is our final look. I really loved how it turned out. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and join the family. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys the rest of my outfit. And for my hair, I just wore a wig and accessorized with this clip that I got from the Glam store on Instagram. I'm gonna leave a link down below so that you can get if you want. Yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye. So guys, I'm gonna show you my outfit. I went for a shift dress, as you can see, and a cover up. Shoes, I went for these heels, and yeah, that is the overall outfit.